Good morning, grade 2 children. How are you all? How are you feeling today? Since today is the first day of the week, yes? And which week is this? This is week number 6 and day 1. Today is the first day of the week. Are you all feeling tired, sleepy? Yes? Because you have to wake up early in the morning, yes? Great. But have you had your breakfast? Good breakfast? Yes, that is going to help you feel a little fresh and relax when your tummy is full, right? So you'll feel fresh and you'll feel happy to attend the class, right? So breakfast is very, very important. Yes, you are looking so lovely, my grade 2 students. Very nice to see you all. Yes, ready for your literacy class? Okay. Now tell me, let's play a small game. Okay. Now, you must have heard about Simon Says. We have played this game before also in our class. Let's play Simon Says. Okay. Simon Says, close your eyes. Simon Says, open your eyes. Simon Says, look towards your left side. Simon Says, look towards your right side. Simon Says, fold your arms like this. Simon Says, open your arms. Simon Says, fold your fingers. Simon Says, open your fingers. Simon Says, move your head towards your right side. Simon Says, move your head towards the front side. Simon Says, stop this game. Game is stop. Now, tell me, these were the instructions that you have followed, what Simon was telling you. Where else do you follow the instructions in the class? When you are following the class rules. Yes, okay. Now let's see the class rules one more time so that that becomes more clear to you all. Can you see my screen here? Okay, there we go. Okay, so those were all the rules that you are going to follow, right? It was all your revision. Everything was recapping so that you are aware of these rules. Now remember, what was the first rule? The first rule was you have to set up your place, right? Where you are going to have your class. So were you going to follow the first rule first or the last rule first? You are going to follow the first rule because it's going to go number wise. What is number 1? What is number 2? It's going to go in sequence. That is very important. Sequencing is very important. Like you should follow the first rule, then the second rule, then the third, and then goes on, right? So in the same way, I'm going to show you a presentation. That is also going to help you about following the instructions. What are instructions? Why is it important to follow the instructions? There you go. Now, instructions is also sequencing. You are going to sequence the events, or you are going to put the events in order. It should be, instructions should be in order. The first instruction is like this, that what comes first? Number one comes first, correct? So you will follow the first instruction. Now, see, breakfast comes first or lunch comes first? Breakfast comes first, correct? Caterpillar comes first or a butterfly comes first? A caterpillar comes first. Correct. Very good. There you go. Then doing the dishes comes first or eating comes first? Eating comes first. Correct. Now getting in the shower comes first or putting your clothes on comes first? Getting in the shower comes first. Okay. So an adult comes first or a baby comes first? Of course, a baby comes first. Good job, class. Very good. So this was the sequencing, like how the sequence is going to be, right? What else do you do in that follows the sequence that you people do every day? What is that? Yes, you wake up in the morning, you get out of your bed, then you go to the washroom, take a shower, right? Brush your teeth, then you wear your clothes, you go out for your breakfast, and then you're going to wear your school, and then, sorry, you're going to go to your school. So everything is in order. You will not eat your breakfast before brushing your teeth or before changing your clothes. You will not. You will first go in the washroom, take a shower, brush your teeth, and then you are going to eat your breakfast. So that means everything here goes in order. It follows the instructions which are already there. Same goes for your teacher. Whatever instructions I give you, you have to follow those instructions. It is not like that without explanation you are going to do the task. First, I have to explain, then you are going to do the task. That means it follows an order. Now, what is there that also follows an order in which you have to go step by step? Can you think about something that goes step by step? When you are making something, when you are cooking something, you must have seen your moms making some yummy foods for you. Yes. So she also follows a proper order. If she's following a recipe, then also she has to follow the order, like what comes first, second, third. If she's going to cook the food without any order, of course the food won't be yummy, it won't be tasty. So that means following a sequence is very important. Following instructions are very important, right? So same goes for cooking, same goes for taking the class, same goes for making anything. Like if you want to make, like I have made this paper fan with paper. You will follow the instructions for making the paper. It won't be like this without following the instructions. You have to follow the first step, the second step, the third step, right? So these are, that means how you are going to follow instructions, following instructions, right? So think about the answer which for the question which I'm going to ask you. I'm going to give you 1 minute time to think about the answer. My question is, why is it necessary to follow the instructions? Why is it necessary to follow the instructions? Your time starts now. Yes, sir. Why is it necessary? No. Why is it necessary? You follow the instructions so that your task is correct, it is done correctly, or it is to the point. If you follow the instructions, what I say, like to do the work first and then revise it, then your task will be correct. If you follow the instructions, like if you will not follow the instructions of cooking something or making something, it won't be correct. Like I've given you the example of your mom making some yummy food, or if she will not follow the instructions, the food won't be tasty, right? Same goes for if when you wake up in the morning, you have to follow certain sequence. You cannot do your work without following the sequence. So sequence, following the instructions in correct order is very, very important. In my class also, as I have already told you the class rules, I have shown you the PowerPoint also, I have shown you the video also, that why is it necessary to follow the class rules, so that you will understand the task. The task is very much clear in your mind. The lesson is very much clear in your mind. You are going to grasp something. You are going to learn something in an order. When I am talking to you, are you people also talking at the same time? No, you are not. You are listening to me. Yes, but what happens if I'm talking and you people are also talking at the same time? Will you be able to understand anything? No, of course not. You won't. You won't understand anything. You won't understand what the teacher is talking about, what the teacher is explaining us. So, for all these things, for all these tasks, you need to follow some instructions, which are very, 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 very important. Do you understand? Now, coming back to your book, you have a new lesson, a new topic, and that is how to make a bee. For that, you need to have some things, some resources before making that. Okay, so kindly try this out at home. Read out these instructions, which are very, very important, and try to make the bee and show it to me in your next class. Okay, now you first have to understand what you are going to need, what you will be needing. You will be needing a plate, a pencil, yellow card, all the things are given here. And then here they have given 15 instructions. 1, 2, 3. There are 15 instructions which are already given here. 15 different instructions. You have to follow these instructions one by one. You cannot do number 8 first. You have to do number 1 first, then number 2, number 3. You have to follow these instructions. Okay, so I hope you have understood what we have done. So you know why instructions are very important. Why is it necessary to have instructions, to follow these instructions? Like I have told you how I have made that paper fan by following instructions. Now what you have to do, you have to make a bee. If you have any issue, any problem in making it, we can do that in our next lesson, in our next class. But try it out. There are some things that you needed. Collect those things, try to make it, try to take help from your mom. Here you can take help from your mom, okay? Take help from your mom and then show me your B. And then again, tomorrow we'll be discussing that what are the instructions for. It is for us to follow to do the task correctly. And how many instructions were there here in making a B, that you are going to tell me. And why do you think the instructions are numbered? These are the two questions that you are going to tell me. Okay, so do your homework very, very carefully. Watch the Edworld videos, which are going to help you a lot. Okay, see you in your science class. Bye bye.